Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, March 3rd, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 77 and a low of 44.
Here's Carter with an important announcement.
Today we're celebrating Reading Across Generations. I can't wait to see all of your cool outfits you all came up with. Tomorrow, we're curling up with a good book. Wear your most comfortable and school-appropriate pajamas.
Today in history, in 1836, Texas declares independence from Mexico.
In the headlines, 600 more hospitals get free LEGO MRI scanners to reduce anxiety in young patients. The LEGO Foundation has announced that it is donating another 600 LEGO kits to hospitals worldwide for miniature MRI scanners to help children cope with the scary process of having an MRI scan. What started in 2015 as a passion project for LEGO Employ and a Denmark hospital, it is now being scaled and piloted with new training material for hospital staffs.
The 500-piece sets allow clinicians to help patients understand what the large and complex MRI machine is all about. The model uses both role play and dialogue so that the child feels safe and can build confidence and resilience before the actual journey by reducing stress and anxiety. The LEGO kits also reduce the use of anesthesia, as it reduces stress and anxiety, says the Danish company.
Today's fun fact is scorpions can't sting themselves. They're immune to its own venom.
What?
It's cool.
Today's lunch options are hot dogs or chicken with waffles.
Yum. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Malia, why did the M&M go to the school?
I don't know why.
He wanted to be a smarty.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Dexton.
And I'm Malia.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba, dum, bum, 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 bum.